Hello, how to solve for s and y in this equation? S plus y is equal to 8, sy is equal to 84. Solution. S plus y is equal to 8. Let's call this equation 1. Sy is equal to 84. This is equation 2. Then from equation 1, s plus y is equal to 8. Let's make y the subject of the formula. Y is equal to 8 minus s. Let's call this equation 3. Also, from equation 2, we have sy is equal to 84. Now we can now substitute for y. S bracket 8 minus s is equal to 84. Let's open the bracket. S multiplied by 8. This is 8x minus s multiplied by x. S squared is equal to 84. Then this can be written as minus s squared plus 8s is equal to 84. Let's bring this 84 to this side. We have minus s squared plus 8s minus 84 is equal to 0. Let's divide all through by minus 1. Minus s squared divided by minus 1. This is s squared. Then plus 8x divided by minus 1. This is minus 8x. Minus 84 divided by minus 1. This is plus 84 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let's solve this using quadratic general formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a, or x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of d over 2a. Then from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 8, c is equal to 84. Now we know that d is equal to b squared minus 4ac. Then this implies that d is equal to b squared is minus 8 squared minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 84. Then d is equal to minus 8 squared, that is 64, minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 84, that is 336. D is equal to 64 minus 336, that is minus 272. Minus 272. This is the value of d. Now let's substitute back into the formula. X is equal to minus bracket minus 8 plus or minus square root of minus 272 over 2. S is equal to minus times minus 8. This is 8 plus or minus square root of minus 272 can be written as square root of 16 multiplied by 17 multiplied by minus 1 over 2. X is equal to 8 plus or minus square root of 16, that is 4. Square root of minus 1 is I, then root 17 over 2. S is equal to 8 over 2 plus or minus 4I over 2 root 17. 2 here 1, 2 here 2, 2 here 1, 2 here 4. X is equal to 4 plus or minus 2I square root of 17. This is the value of X. Then we've got the value of X. Let's solve for Y. To solve for Y, from equation 3, we have Y is equal to 8 minus X. Y1 is equal to 8 minus X1 is 4 from here plus 2I square root of 17. Y1 is equal to 8 minus 4 minus 2I root 17. Y1 is equal to 4 minus 2I square root of 17. This is the value of Y1. Also, Y2 is equal to 8 minus S2. Then Y2 is equal to 8 minus S2 is 4 minus 2I square root of 17. Y2 is equal to 8 minus 4 plus 2I square root of 17. Y2 is equal to 4 plus 2I square root of 17. This is the value of Y2. Therefore, our final answer are S1, Y1 is equal to 4 plus 2I square root of 17, 4 minus 2I square root of 17. Also, S2, Y2 is equal to 4 minus 2I square root of 17, 4 plus 2I square root of 17. These are the values of X and Y. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation. S plus Y is equal to 8. XY is equal to 84. Now let's consider this. S plus Y is equal to 4 plus 2I square root of 17 plus 4 minus 2I square root of 17 must be equal to 8. This, we cancel this. We have 4 plus 4 must be equal to 8. 4 plus 4, this is 8, is equal to 8, which is true. Now let's consider this. SY is equal to 84. Then here we have 4 plus 2i square root of 17 multiplied by 4 minus 2i square root of 17 must be equal to 84. Then this is 4 times 4, that is 16. We have minus 4 times 2i root 17, that is 8i square root of 17 plus 8i square root of 17, then minus 2i root 17 multiplied by 2i root 17. This is 4 multiplied by I square multiplied by square root of 17 square must be equal to 84. This, we cancel this. 16 minus 4 multiplied by I square is minus 1 multiplied by 17 must be equal to 84. Then we have 16 minus and this minus will become plus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 17, that is 68 must be equal to 84. Then 16 plus 68, this is 84, is equal to 84, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.